We all love the look of grand, expansive furniture, but the real headache usually comes from the tiniest spots, like those awkward 6-inch gaps between your kitchen cabinets that usually just collect dust. This is where Blum changes the game. By mastering micro-storage, they've introduced the Space Twin, a sleek, ultra-narrow pull-out system that transforms a wasted sliver of space into a high-capacity supply hub. But they didn't stop at eye level. To solve the struggle of high-up shelving, the Space Step integrates a sturdy pull-out step directly into a base drawer. It's a dual-purpose win that gives you extra reach and extra storage in one footprint. The result? A living space that makes the most of every single inch. But why stop at maximizing cabinets when you can reclaim the entire room? Imagine a table that completely redefines the footprint of your home. Whether you're hosting a high-stakes poker night, diving into board games, or settling in for a focused study session, this piece offers total versatility. And then, at the touch of a button, it simply vanishes. Taking that floating concept to the absolute extreme, we find Bumblebee Spaces, a smart living system that literally lifts your furniture out of the way. Beds, drawers, even full wardrobes are stored in the ceiling using an advanced suspension system designed for modern homes. It's like having an invisible storage room above your head. Leaving the ceiling behind and coming back down to earth, let's talk about the hardest working room in the house, the kitchen. Hettich's Wind Storage concept is designed for the home chef who wants a professional, fresh cooking environment that can be reset to spotless in record time. Hettich's push to open silent drawers combine touch opening with soft, silent closing for a seamless premium feel. That same handleless concept continues with Easy's technology, allowing refrigerator and freezer doors to open with a simple touch. Even the smallest details are optimized. The herb and spice drawer is built on the Architect system, offering perfectly organized storage using standard modular elements. And finally, convenience reaches your appliances too. With comfort swing for dishwashers, loading and unloading becomes effortless. While the kitchen is all about hidden efficiency, the living room demands a centerpiece that can do it all. Enter the box coffee curve from Expand Furniture, a brand that has practically synonymous with the smart home revolution. It's designed for real life too. With a weight capacity of over 250 pounds, it's strong enough for everyday use, family meals, work sessions, or entertaining guests with ease. And if you love the idea of an expandable table like the box coffee curve, but want something even more versatile and customizable, you need to see the Bernini. This isn't just a piece of furniture. It is the absolute definition of maximum freedom for your living room or kitchen. Now, if you've been a loyal viewer of this channel, you know I have a deep love for antiquing, and honestly, an even deeper love for finding a deal on something high-end. While we've looked at modern engineering, there is truly no better time than now to invest in vintage furniture. One of the best places doing this right is mid-century Møbler, owned by Julian Goldklang, who curates one of the largest collections of mid-century furniture in the United States. Julian personally travels across Europe, handpicking exceptional vintage pieces with history, character, and craftsmanship you just don't find anymore. Each item is carefully selected, imported, and showcased in his showroom in Berkeley, California. Now, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you might think you've already seen every kind of Murphy bed out there. But trust me, you haven't seen anything like this. Think of this as the final boss of wall beds. This is the Bullock Murphy bed, crafted by the experts at WWBeds Custom Furniture, and it's the ultimate evolution of a classic design. Unlike traditional Murphy beds that simply fold down from the wall, the Bullock is an entire library and workstation transformation. It features beautifully built, heavy-duty bifold panels and shelving that look like permanent, high-end cabinetry. But here's the magic part. With a smooth, perfectly balanced motion, the entire center section glides down to reveal a premium sleeping system, without disturbing a single item on the shelves. No clearing space, no removing decor, no compromises. But if you'd rather keep your bed exactly where it is and find your extra square footage underneath it, then it's time to look up. Loft beds are the ultimate architectural hack for reclaiming a floor plan. And despite the playground reputation, these aren't just for kids. As you'll see, a well-designed loft works just as beautifully in a sophisticated studio apartment or a luxury beach house. By cleverly colonizing that unused vertical space, These beds do so much more than provide a place to sleep. Next, we have something truly unique. TAVOLETTO, one of the most innovative and versatile designs from Alticom's space-saving collection. A transforming coffee table that smoothly rises and converts into a bed, combining elegance with pure functionality. Simple, smart, and beautifully designed. This is space-saving at its most sophisticated. Now, if you're looking to make a narrow hallway or a cramped bedroom feel twice as large, you probably already know that mirrors are the oldest trick in the design book. But this 360-degree rotating mirror takes that classic concept and adds a high-function twist. Of course, mirrors can make a room look bigger, but eventually you still need a place for your guests to actually sleep. That's where the Zibah sofa bed from Wooden Street comes in, perfecting the art of the stealth multifunctional piece. Moving on to something truly sleek, the motorized TV lift cabinet. When not in use, the television stays completely hidden inside the cabinet, keeping your space clean and clutter-free. We've looked at some incredible mechanical marvels, but sometimes the most important transformation is the one that happens to your daily routine. Imagine you're preparing dinner, and instead of the usual frustration of digging through a cluttered drawer or wrestling with an overstuffed cabinet, everything just flows. Most of us feel like we're drowning in a small kitchen, but the truth is, you don't necessarily need more square footage. You need better engineering. The specialists at the German company Home have mastered this philosophy. They prove that thoughtful cabinet design can completely transform a cramped cooking area into a space with actual elbow room to breathe. By applying precision-engineered space-saving solutions to every drawer and corner, they turn even the most compact kitchen into a high-efficiency workspace. It's a practical reminder that when your cabinets are designed intelligently, your kitchen doesn't just feel larger. It feels like a place where you actually want to spend your time. To truly achieve that seamless, ultra-clean aesthetic, Home looks at the details we often overlook, like the cluttered tangle of power cords on a countertop. To solve this, they offer integrated pop-up sockets that stay completely flush with your work surface when not in use. Sometimes the simplest ideas turn out to be the most brilliant, especially when one piece serves more than one purpose. The MK1 Transforming Table by Duffy London looks like a sleek minimalist coffee table at first glance. But in just seconds, its legs unfold and it transforms into a full dining table. Nobody likes the look of bulky basketball hoops attached to a house. And let's be honest, they don't exactly fit when you're trying to play something like squash or racquetball either. That's where Hide a Hoop by Autohoop completely changes the game. With this patented system, the basketball goal stays completely hidden when not in use.